Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority ringkat ke Jingit Relang bat ke District Disaster Management Authority jong ke Southwest Hills District lem bat ke Tenat Revenue and Disaster jong ke Sarkar Jila kentup ru ke National Disaster Management Authority ke bahak bapok ke Jingpet Jingkmi jong ke Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sarkar India kalau pelong ke state level mock exercise earthquake disaster Mawkyrwat kum shipentawan pensutu ya kipat ba kumno ban Ïada lede bat ban ajing rap lem ya ki para brio habawan dan shop kinu jingja na keyboard jang kamarian. Deputy Commissioner jang Southwest Hills District ubat dilingwa ula ajing ro ikitna treka mo pero jang sarkar kentup ru iki kena school bat kisamla puli jang college ki blawani shimenta kini mock drill ban pen Nuksa kumno ban ajing rap iki brio ki ba Mynsaw Lada ja bakadon ke jingknyo Jumai ke bajur. Ya kini mock drill la pelong ha nativity higher secondary school hayo Mawkyrwat ha hospital Mawkyrwat bat ha mini secretariat Mawkyrwat.
We have 8 casualties, 2 red category, 1 black, and 5 we are referring to the medical aid post in mini secretariat.
What happened to come back to welcome really Karamba next exercise where can you have I express my thanks to all of you who are involved in this operation, and I hope that this is a very good lesson to be learned, and we will have to come across this type of operations, maybe in the form of mock drill or maybe in actuality. So we have to be prepared and to alert ourselves. And as this operation has become successful, I congratulate the organizers, Bakari especially, and his team, the SP and his team, and others who are involved in this exercise. And I'm very, very thankful to all of you. Thank you once again.